Hey beauties, what's up? Welcome back. This is a bit of a long video, so go ahead and grab your snacks, get comfortable. I'm about to show you this entire process of me coloring my hair black using the Olaplex system, showing you this breakage. Ooh, she done broke off something bad, girl. My silk press, and yes, my haircut. I cut my hair, so if you want to see how I got this sleek, chic black bob and all the craziness it took for me to get here, just go ahead and stay tuned. So I was just over this ugly ashy red hair, okay? I know a lot of y'all said that it didn't look that bad. Some of y'all actually liked it, but girl, I did not like this color at all. It was horrible looking to me. It was dry. It was shedding. Oh my God, my hair was shedding so bad with this color. So I just decided I wanted to do black just to get it all even and shiny and healthy looking. So yeah. So for my hair, I use the Kenra permanent color. I'm using 1 end, which is natural black, along with the 10 volume developer. So I decided to use Olaplex with my color, which is basically like they claim insurance for your hair, because it is just a great tool in protecting your hair when you're coloring it. And I did just color my hair with the permanent color, and I'm going back again doing the permanent color. So I wanted to make sure my hair was fully protected, as protected as possible. So this is my first time using this on my hair. I have used it on my clients, but it was the first for me. But from what I have seen with working with Olaplex, it is absolutely amazing. Like, it does the damn thing. Okay, of course it comes with the directions and stuff on the back. You're supposed to put 3.7 mLs of the number 1, the bond multiplier, directly into your color. So what this is supposed to do is just basically help to protect and strengthen your bonds while you're coloring your hair, because you are breaking some bonds when you're doing any kind of chemical treatment. So a black permanent color is really easy. You don't have to worry about hot roots and nothing like that. Just put it all over your hair. It's going to all process the same because it's all going dark. So just, no certain way to put it on. Just making sure you put it on all of your hair, because you definitely don't want no splotchy. So just take your time, part your hair, section it off in fairly small sections just to make sure it gets on all of the hair. 30 minutes later, here is my color, and I just want to show y'all a little tip to getting that color off of your hairline. So just leave a little extra color at the end, and rub that on your hairline. Color removes color from the skin, so you don't have to worry about the stained hairline. And voila, look at that. No color remover, no alcohol. Just make sure you have a little color left over, and bam. So this is after my rinse only, no shampoo yet, because I am going and using the number 2, which you are not supposed to shampoo until after you do it. As y'all can see, I was feeling my hair. I was loving how dark it got. But I want to go ahead and talk to y'all about this Bond Perfector. It is not a conditioning treatment. It is a bond perfector, just like it says. It is designed to link back those sulfur hydrogen bonds after chemical services, basically repairing those bonds back together to help with damage done to your hair with the coloring process or anything. So yeah, listen to the directions, because it did tell me a certain amount you're supposed to put on your hair. But I went on and just loaded my hair up with this stuff, which is, I can't say for sure it's the reason why I ran into this problem that y'all gonna see towards the end of the video. But I would definitely say not to put a whole lot on your hair. So here I just want to show y'all my shedding with my black hair as opposed to my shedding with my red hair. Like, girl, my hair was shedding so bad with this color, which is another reason like that breakage was happening that y'all about to see. But I just do want to say that with black hair, darker hair colors, your cuticle is closed, so that equals less shedding, less breakage, and it's just more protected with darker colors. So guess what? I fell asleep with this Bond Perfector on my hair. Fell asleep. I was later. Here's my hair. I actually did not have a plastic cap on. I just put it on for the time being when I woke up. But I'm going to go ahead and shampoo, condition my hair with this Carol's Daughter almond milk. I really like this stuff lately. So here's my hair after I shampooed. I have the regular conditioner on my hair, and I'm also going in with the mask, which I love, and I'm putting that on my hair as well. And y'all will see in just a few minutes. Y'all will see that my hair just didn't feel right. Something was different. I was like, what? Like, my hair just felt, it smelled weird, first of all. It smelled like eggs, like a relaxer. And it felt, oh my God, just listen.
My hair feels soapy.
So I shampooed my hair 2 more times, one with the clarifying shampoo and another with the Carol's Daughter again. And here's my hair after I had that mask sitting on my hair for hours and hours. And it felt better, but it just smelled weird. Like, the only way I can describe it is that it smelled like a relaxer had been on my hair, which I was so confused about, because it's like, was it the Bond Perfector? Did I put too much on my hair? I know for a fact I kept it on way too long. You're only supposed to do 5 to 10 minutes. But it just, my hair was just like, I don't know. I definitely feel like that product just like seeped deeper than it was supposed to, because I had left it on for way longer than I was supposed to. But moving forward, here is the leave-in combination I'm using. One for moisture, the other one for like a reconstructor. You know, I'm trying to use all the reconstruction agents I can get with coloring my hair for the second time in like less than a month. So detangling my hair, everything is like okay, you know, I feel like it's going all right. I'm using my Silverbird blow dryer. I did get a new one, so I have the original attachment, which I love because it works so good. I got it from Sally's, y'all. Black Friday was lit. It was like $23 online. Yes, girl. But anyway, I started to blow dry my hair, and I just noticed it was like dry. Like, why is my hair dry? And that's when I saw the breakage. I'm like, okay, my hair done broke off. And yeah, my hair done broke off. And that breakage was all like in the middle and like on the left side of my hair. And I'm not sure it's because I slept on that side and I had that stuff in my hair, but whatever. I decided to switch up my leave-in. I used the Pro Vitamin leave-in conditioner by Afrogy, and that made my hair so much softer. I do want to say that this leave-in is just, I think that's going on my staple list because it makes my hair so freaking soft. So anyway, I just continue to blow dry my hair, and when everything is blow dry, that's when you can see everything. And I was just so, so disappointed. I was like, what in the heck has happened to my hair? Like, look at it. It was see-through all on the right side and in the middle. I was so shook. Like, what? My hair was just literally just fine. Y'all saw I just did a video with my natural hair routine under wigs. My blowout was fine. My blowout was healthy. I didn't have breakage. Like, I might have needed a little trim, but my hair was like totally fine. It was nice and full, and then as you can see, wow, like my hair just totally broke off, like really, really bad. So I was sad, I was depressed, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna go ahead, I gotta cut it and fix it. So I continue with my silk press, of course, using my silk. Look at that ponytail, girl. I just couldn't stop looking at my hair. And I'm using my Babyliss Nano Pro whatever flat irons. I had my degree set to 410, and this is just when I knew it was bad too. Like when the nape of my hair, I saw the nape of my hair, because normally that's like the longest part of my hair, but it was just short, broken off, and girl, look at that. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, continue my silk press, and then I'll come back and show you guys how it's looking and how we're gonna get this cut together. So I just decided to go for a bob cut since most of that broken off hair was like in the middle. So the easiest way to do a bob at home is put it in a ponytail, drag that ponytail down to where you want it to be, and cut it, and that is it, girl. I lost about maybe 2 inches of hair, which really wasn't too bad. And yeah, that is the bob. I was really, really, really happy. Like, as soon as I cut that, like, that's why I don't even care about cutting like dead hair off. I just be like, yes, like, get it off. My hair felt so much better. Obviously, it's looking better. Everything is healthy, like swinging, girl. Yes. And I was actually really happy that I ended up doing this cut because it finally got rid of all my layers and I finally had a nice blunt cut. Yes. So lastly, I'm going to style my hair. I'm using a little bit more silk and using my hair art flat irons to give me some curls, just to give me a little body, a little bounce, you know. And really, that is it. I really love this bob, y'all. I think I'm gonna keep my hair in a bob cut for a while because I'm feeling myself with this bob. Okay, so thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. I wish I could really pinpoint what caused my breakage, but I just feel like it was a combination of things, from that red color drying my hair out, from this Olaplex treatment sitting in my hair overnight and not having a cap on it. I don't really know what exactly it was, but end of the day, strength over length. Like I said, I love my new haircut. Thumbs up if you do too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I will talk to y'all in another video.